It's sad to see that today, quantum mechanics has become a hustle to most people. The theory of quantum mechanics has been unintentionally and in most cases intentionally over-exaggerated to the point where, it's hard for an average person to tell the difference between what quantum mechanics actually says and what it didn't. Those who do this intentionally knows that the more fear they present to you, the more they are likely to get your attention. I'm sure you've heard statements like, the universe is not real, the universe is not locally real, or that quantum mechanics is weird. You can refer to a human who has 4 heads as weird. But is Chinese language weird just because an American don't understand it? Is the universe weird, or the human beings still have more to learn? It's almost impossible today to look up quantum mechanics anywhere on the internet without coming across extensive languages that will discourage you from learning it. I don't blame those who participate in spreading misleading information about quantum mechanics. There's money involved in preaching negativity and fear. That's why I call it a hustle. Compare this to the majority of news that is broadcast by your favorite news station and you will understand why people behave this way. Weird stuff gets people's attention. Am I claiming quantum mechanics is easy to understand? Nope. My point is, quantum mechanics is like walking, and we are like infants. If a baby is patient, and he or she keeps learning as they grow, walking is not complicated. But who will be brave enough to prove that quantum mechanics can be understood, when the first thing they tell you about quantum mechanics is, if you think you understand quantum mechanics you don't understand quantum mechanics.